Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to set up this working space together. I am a designer working from home from 8 to 5, and I am doing YouTube as my side hustle. So I would say I spend hours at this desk. So here we go, we are going to make this room a little bit more cozy and enjoyable for work. And I just realized I never show you guys this room, and so this is a perfect timing showing you guys this room. I live in 2 bedrooms and 1 bath condo, and it's quite a small space, so every space needs to be very versatile. So this room is our office room. So yeah, since I work from home, I spent in this room like a lot, so I just want to make it feel a little bit more, you know, like cozy and welcoming and inviting and stuff. So yeah, I'm really excited to show you guys the process. First of all, I need to shout out to Flexispot for making this video happen. Flexispot sent me this beautiful standing desk. This is the Flexispot E6 3-stage standing desk. I love it so much. I feel like this wood surface makes the room a little bit more cozy. And I'm not sure if you guys ever seen my previous desk before, but it's just a regular white. And it's a little bit more narrower, but it's way too wide and it's just too big for this space. So I decided to go with the 48 wide and 30 inches deep. I love this deep, especially when I work from home. I will look at the computer like the whole 8 hours, and I feel like this is the best distance for me. So here is when I received the package. I was so excited, so I let my husband set up the table for me immediately. The package was beautifully sent and very good protection, so I love it. Speaking of the desk itself, there are many styles, sizes, finishes available that will match your style. This maple desktop gives such a cozy vibe, which I love. This desk also has 3-stage lift system. It adjusts from 24 inches to 50 inches to accommodate users of all heights. It holds up to 350 pounds, so if you are the person who use more than 1 monitor, then you don't have to worry about it. Now let's do some fun part, setting up the new desk. I've been seeing desk lamp for accessory lately, so I really wanted to try, and I actually really like how minimal it looks, so I think I'm going to keep it. Okay guys, I think I need to show you this. I think I'm obsessed, but these pens are so cute. I got them from Japan, and of course we all know Japans always have cute things. I think another thing to make your decks lively is flowers. Honestly, I don't usually get flowers, and now I feel like flower is just something that we need. This is some of my Molly collections and I just love them so much. So I brought them here, sit with me and staring while I work. There is no right or wrong for desk setup, but table lamp definitely makes the room complete. I love greens, and especially you work from home, you don't really go out, and I think having plants in the room definitely the vibe. I think wall art definitely brings out the aesthetic and romance very well, so I add some photo in the room and I quite like it. And yeah, thank you again to Flexispot for giving me this amazing desk. I love it so much. If you guys are interested, I will put the link down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you like this kind of video, please give me a like, subscribe. That's gonna help me a lot. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!